This is not fun. The moving bit is not fun.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, that is, you know what, that is a horrible feeling actually. Like, I have been there before. It's like, it was funny, and then I felt for her. Like, I really felt for her in that moment when she just realized it was all over. That's too bad.
I'm cooking up some pasta.
Dude, that ain't even pasta, my guy.
It's pasta.
That's not pasta, my guy.
Don't you see?
What is it though? What is it though?
I don't even know what it is. It's just pasta.
It's pasta. We fucking brewed it.
Pasta.
You know, like.
Hey. I just lost my fork in it. Ah! Ow!
Whoa!
Oh! Oh!
What?
Guys.
What is that? These are adults? These people aren't allowed to be adults. We can't leave these people unsupervised. Okay, first off, there's no way that they were 100% sober to be doing that. And that explosion was absolutely dangerous. That's glass, dude. Oh my gosh. His whole oven! That guy's entire oven just collapsed on, oh, I mean, he collapsed literally on the oven, but like, this is, guys, this is straight up why you can order in pizza. People like this should not be allowed to make their own pizza. I never thought you could mess up a frozen pizza, but apparently that can, you know, maybe just annihilate your entire kitchen, so yeah. What's up, guys? I'm your host, Nicholas Playlog, and today we're gonna be looking at some videos of people who need to stay out of the kitchen. Let's do it.
شوف يا جماعة بسوي فول قلابة. هذا البصل وهذا الطماطم وهذا الفول وهذا الزيت.
Bro, he was doing such a good job too. Like, this guy's like, you got your onions, you got your tomatoes, you got your sauce. And then he's like, oh, and you also have this extremely hot piece of metal that I am going to touch right now. Like, this is unsafe. Her reaction is actually priceless. She just fully stood there looking at what she had just done for maybe like 5 seconds or something. Like, you see the smoke starting to come out too. And also, like, was she in a uniform? Is this at her job? Because I don't think that that's her job anymore, if that was at her job. Whoa. Do something! Somebody straight up just watched that happen and then kept recording on their cameras. They're literally watching as their entire stovetop gets annihilated by what, like, is some creamy cheese substance, and they're like, oh, yo, you know what? This is gonna be great on the internet. I think I'll just keep filming. Like, do something, man!
Dude, I just threw cheese everywhere.
Okay, that's unacceptable. That is full unacceptable. Like, I'm not sure who this guy is trying to impress right now, trying to be. Like, first off, if he did land that, I guarantee the entire oven is destroyed now. So honestly, good on you for missing and just hitting your cabinet, but like, this is not allowed.
Go! Don't hit my face! That's an A. Okay. 1, 2, 3,
Okay, you know what? Honestly, to his credit, that was really close. Like, that is way better than anything I think I could have pulled off. Honestly, you know what? That was more of a receiver issue, I think. Like, our QB on that one really did the job. I think she's just got to, like, catch that one up a little bit better. But, yeah, I mean, honestly, respect to this guy. Solid respect. Uh-huh. Oh. Yep. All right. You know what? Full disclosure right here. I have 100% done that before, except like sub in cereal instead of rice. Like I straight up have one of those things that's like supposed to keep your cereal like not go stale, but they specifically make them bad. So actually, like I do really feel for this lady. You know what? You're allowed to be in the kitchen from now on. Oh no. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. That's gotta suck. Also, dude, you can see that she actually has batter in her hair. Like that's gonna take forever to get out. First off, you gotta actually like untangle it and then get the batter out of your hair. And then you're gonna have like hairy cupcakes or whatever you're making. Oh man, you know what? This is why we have Uber Eats, guys. This is why we have Uber Eats.
Medicino, that's all I know. I can't pronounce, how would you pronounce that? Valdigu? I don't know.
It's Fern.
So I don't know if it, do you think it'll still chop?
Oh no, he's gonna do it.
No.
Don't-
Oh shit. Oh crap, I broke her
Oh.
vintage. Oh.
Okay, it's live, ladies and gentlemen.
Sweetie,
Can I
it's
pick
okay.
this up?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Scab's just a little frightened. Okay, Daddy.
You know what? Actually, they took that really well because I think that is a super expensive bottle of wine. And then they also destroyed their entire glass as well. And the poor dog too, man. Like now he's gonna have glass all over the place. Okay, what's next? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is that fluid? Most people boil water, but this lady is clearly boiling some gasoline and then she throws more on. Like, what was that? That wasn't water. Well, there you have it, guys. And we have some people who just need to order from Uber freaking Eats, but that is people who need to stay out of the kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I'm your host, Nicholas Playlog. I'll catch you next time. Okay. Let's freaking do it. Videos of people who need to stay out of the kitchen. Let me do that again. Oh, what? Sorry, man. I just literally was just about to sneeze. Can we do that one more time?